Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'll be eating this African food mukbang in the Ashma way. Though my son is here, even though he doesn't even know how to eat it, and my husband is trying to poke nose. So I'll be eating this Ofe Onugbo Bitterleaf soup. I haven't made the video of it, which is on my food channel. Please go check it out. So I'll be eating it. This is how the soup looks like. It's an Igbo delicacy.
What is
There's
the soup?
some cow leg here. This is cow skin, which is bomo, goat meat, stockfish. Well, it's just a normal African mukbang video. So I will show you guys how I'm going to devour this food. Now, leave my food alone. So like I said, it's an African delicacy made by the Igbos. It is called Ofe Onugbo Bitterleaf soup. Like I said, it's going to be on my food channel. My son is eating it already.
Oyeneku.
Go away, Oyeneku. There was a day I made a phone call to a one number, and the person that answered me said Oyeneku. So ever since, my husband has been saying that word, Oyeneku, Oyeneku. That's what he just said on this video now. Okay, now let's get right into this video. My son is eating the guy, the eba, just like that, with that soup. So let's get right into it. I don't want to talk. It's supposed to be an Ashma video. So guys, this soup is very tasty. I made it on my food channel. Let's go and check it out. Ofe Onugbo Bitterleaf soup. Guys, can you see my son eating the guy from behind? This boy said to be careful, boy.
Yeah. Mommy. Mommy.
Mommy, yes, mommy is eating. Delicious food. Yes, no spicy. It's very well. No spicy.
Come. Me. The boy.
Guys,
My.
Mama to become Nigerian, and Nigerian, as you know, I will make our soup. A lot of meat and all. This video is supposed to be an Ashma video, but my son is making noise behind. What can I do? I'm a mother. you stop it from eating? Come and eat. He's crying because he thought I stopped him from eating.
Okay.
Stockfish. This soup is so tasty. I made it. Like I said, cooking it on my food channel. Cooking with Annie. Sorry about my sauce. Kowski. Yeah, it's not like that. My son is there, my food again. I'm going to lick this soup. So I'm not a glutton, just that this food was so tasty. So guys, we've come to the end of this video. As you guys can see, I cleared everything. Look at the bones. I'm not a glutton, it's just that this food was too tasty. Yes guys, go and try this recipe, Ofe Onugbo Bitterleaf soup, and thank me later. So guys, that is all for this video. If you want to see more of eating videos, please let me know, because I cook most times, as in I cook a lot these days. So guys, thanks for staying with me, and I'll see you all in my next video. Thank you. Bye.